Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, sipping coffee in your pajamas, and still making a full-time income, all without stepping out your front door. In 2025, remote work isn't just a pandemic trend. It's become the new career normal. In this video, we're diving deep into the top work-from-home jobs for 2025, how much they pay, the skills you'll need, and exactly how you can get started, even if you're starting from zero. Let's get started. First, why is remote work still booming in 2025? The numbers speak for themselves. A huge percentage of companies are now hiring fully remote roles, not just locally, but globally. Businesses have realized they can cut costs, hire top talent from anywhere, and still get amazing results. Hybrid work exists, but the fully remote option has never been more accessible. There's also been a shift in technology. AI tools, collaboration platforms, and faster internet speeds have made remote work not just possible, but efficient. And for employees, the benefits are undeniable. No commute, flexible schedules, more time with family, and the ability to work from wherever you choose. One big myth I want to address is that remote jobs are only for tech people. That's not true. In 2025, opportunities span from creative work to customer service, healthcare, education, marketing, and more. Now, let's get into the top work-from-home jobs for 2025. Number 1, AI content editor. AI can now write articles, blog posts, ads, and even video scripts, but it's not perfect. Businesses need people who can review, fact-check, and improve AI-generated work, so it's engaging and accurate. Skills you need include strong writing, grammar, and an understanding of tone. Pay ranges from $25 to $60 per hour, and you can find opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and LinkedIn. Number 2, virtual event coordinator. Companies are hosting online conferences, training sessions, and product launches. These events need someone to organize speakers, manage schedules, and coordinate tech. You'll need planning skills, communication skills, and some familiarity with platforms like Zoom and Hopin. Many coordinators earn between $40,000 and $70,000 per year. Number 3, Cybersecurity Specialist. As more companies go remote, protecting data becomes critical. This job involves monitoring networks, preventing breaches, and keeping sensitive information safe. It requires cybersecurity training, but demand is so high that salaries often start at $80,000 and can go well above $120,000. Number 4, remote healthcare support. Telehealth is booming, and companies need assistance to handle patient scheduling, records, and follow-up calls. You'll need organizational skills, a friendly phone manner, and basic healthcare knowledge. Many of these positions pay between $18 and $30 per hour. Number 5, social media video strategist. Short-form video content is dominating platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Brands want someone who can plan, create, and optimize videos for maximum engagement. Creative thinking, editing skills, and an understanding of trends are essential. Earnings range from $35,000 to $80,000 per year, depending on your experience. Number 6, online language tutor. With the world more connected than ever, the demand for learning languages online is huge. You can teach English or other languages from your home. Sites like italki and Preply connect you with students. Depending on your language and experience, you can earn $15 to $40 per hour. Number 7, no-code app developer. Tools like Bubble and Glide allow you to build apps without traditional coding. Businesses are looking for creative people to bring their app ideas to life. You'll need problem-solving skills and the ability to learn these platforms quickly. Income can range from $50 to $100 per hour or project-based fees. Number 8, e-commerce product researcher. Online stores need help finding profitable products to sell. Your role is to analyze trends, compare suppliers, and identify high-demand, low-competition items. Tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 make the process easier. You can earn between $20 and $50 per hour. Number 9, digital marketing analyst. This role involves tracking ad campaigns, analyzing results, and making recommendations to improve performance. Skills in Google Analytics, Excel, and data interpretation are key. Pay usually ranges from $50,000 to $90,000 annually. Number 10, Customer Success Manager. In the world of software as a service, keeping clients happy is just as important as getting them in the first place. You'll help customers get the most out of a product, solve problems, and ensure they stay subscribed. Communication skills and product knowledge are essential. Pay ranges from $55,000 to $95,000 per year. Now that you know the top jobs, let's talk about the skills that will set you apart in the remote work world. Digital communication is number one. Being able to clearly express ideas through email, chat, or video calls. AI collaboration skills are next, knowing how to work with AI tools to speed up your tasks. Data literacy is also huge, the ability to understand and use data in decision-making. Creativity and storytelling remain powerful in marketing, branding, and content creation. And finally, a continuous learning mindset, being willing to adapt as technology changes. If you want to land a remote job in 2025, here are my top tips. Build a portfolio, even if it's with personal or practice projects. Use job boards that specialize in remote work, like We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and Remote.co. Customize your applications to show you understand a company's needs. And network in niche online communities. Many remote jobs are filled before they're even posted publicly. Remote work isn't just the future, it's the present. If you're ready to take control of your time, your income, and your career, 2025 is the year to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more work from home tips, and let me know in the comments, which of these jobs are you most excited to try?